just at the end of the half to bring it back to close to 20-ish. And the other part of it, in the second half, they never made a run at all. So it was three punches to the gut. They answered one of them, and obviously that's
its way in. And how fast will the ground cool off to cause the potential for a slick drive on Tuesday afternoon or evening? At this point, we'll have to wait and see. And parents, if you're wondering whether kids will have early dismissals unless something changes, I don't believe that will be the case. But we'll let you know if it changes. Beyond that, Wednesday's temperatures really cold. I mean, really, really cold. Wednesday's high temps will only be in the 20s to around 30 degrees or so. 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, the temp's 44 degrees. Then we make our way up into the 50s briefly during the early part of the afternoon. Remember, 4 p.m. is not the warmest time of the day anymore. It's more like 1 or maybe 2 o'clock. So we're back down into the 40s by the time we get to 4 o'clock tomorrow with some extra clouds out there. Tomorrow's weather, certainly milder than what we will see out there in the morning for the afternoon. So we're starting right now with temperatures that are in the 20s, 30s. That's the average representation of numbers for tomorrow morning. And this time of the year is kind of funky because you can get random areas that are close to the water, where water temperatures are still in the 50s, that warm up. And then you get other spots that really aren't. So Bridgeport's 47, but New Haven is 39. And in Meriden, the temperature is right at 32 degrees. So when you see the high temps or the low temperatures, you have to take it as an average representation of how things will be. So at the shoreline, 39, and inland, we should be somewhere around or slightly above freezing, but some spots will get below freezing. So tomorrow is the warmest day in the forecast. That means temps that'll be in the 50s, a few spots getting into the upper 50s before the next storm arrives. Here's 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Some of us see nothing, some see and some see snow that's starting. I do think this is our best opportunity of the season thus far to get some sort of snow falling from the sky. So I think everyone, or most of us, will see some flakes flying, but I'm not so sold that much of them will make it to the ground and actually stick to the ground. And if you're wondering about how much we're looking at, it's between a coating and an inch to two isolated 2-inch totals. We'll show you the snowfall accumulation map at the end of the newscast, so stay tuned for that. 46, that's the start of the day on Tuesday. Before very quickly cooling off into the 30s, from 20s, then even teens through the overnight. A few spots could be in the single digits by Wednesday or Thursday morning. We'll moderate some next week, but this is a forecast that's a lot closer to like the beginning of December as opposed to November. So I guess we're a little ahead of schedules. We're overachievers when it comes to winter.
Yeah, we really are.
I don't think anyone's happy about that, but what can we do?
Those overnight lows at 14 scare
Awful,
me.
huh?
They scare me.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Sam.